Go ahead, hit it with my sauce. Boom. We in business now, baby. Picked up my large turkey tip. I told y'all for y'all don't like pork that I got you. Got you. Look what I got, y'all. I went and picked something up from the store. This is called a turkey roast. Now, my first initial thoughts was that this was a turkey breast. But as I go to investigate, it's a combination of white and dark meat. First time me experiencing this. Y'all probably experienced it before. But the reason I got it, because it was such a great deal on this. It was 2 for $6. Couldn't pass that up. Man, so I cooked one. One of the mistakes I made was with the butcher twine. I cut it, and I shouldn't have cut it because it made all the meat fall apart. So this time, since I got this one, that's why I'm glad I bought two so I could test it out. I'm going to go ahead and cut that up, and we're going to smoke it traditional barbecue style. So I got all my essentials for a barbecue rub. So I'm doing 1 teaspoon of everything for the first half. First we got my brown sugar, so we're doing 1 teaspoon of that. We're doing 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme. As we get to the second half, we only doing a half teaspoon. So a half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of ground turmeric, half teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And I'm using the olive oil, so maybe about a tablespoon of that just to rub the turkey down. All right, got my rub done, smelling official. Yes, let's get this baby open. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna use it for my people who don't eat pork. So what we gonna do is we making some turkey rib tips. So it's a treat for the people who do not eat pork. I like them both. Pork rib tips, turkey rib tips, beef rib tips. It don't matter as long as it's smoked. Check it out. This is what it looks like. Alright, I gotta get cleaned up. Getting this cleaned up. Rinsed it. So just to let you know too, it does come with the turkey gravy. I'm not using it because I'm doing turkey tips. I'll be right back. Let me go wash my supposedly clean hand. Hit it with the rest of this olive oil. This is how the rub looking official. As y'all see, I didn't put any salt in here. These already come pre-brined. Most of these are like 16% of sodium. So that's plenty already. So we good on the sodium part. So now we just adding our flavor. That's our spices. Sugar and spice and everything nice. Leave it in this butcher twine net. I made that mistake already. It's nice and covered. Yeah, it's gonna be some flavor there, y'all. So let me let this sit for a while. I'm gonna go out here and fire up the smoker. And we about to have some fun with some turkey tips for my non-pork eaters. Let's go outside. Let's go with our tried and true, the Kingsford's Professional. We're gonna get the smoker pretty hot today. About 325 degrees. We got our trusty Duraflame fire start. Throw it right on up here in the middle. Just like that. Let's get our turkey roast on here. Smokey. Just like that. Then sit by it lonesome. Let's make life easy. We're gonna go ahead and use our meter. So I'm gonna take this up to about 157 and let the carryover cooking do it to get it up to 165. And that's it. We're gonna keep it simple. All right. Let me go ahead and get the wood going up in here. So today, everybody, I got 2 little small pieces of apple wood. Throw that on up in there. You know, get like a little different flavor. Make it kind of sweet. All right, we're just gonna let it ride because I ain't gonna check it probably for about an hour and a half just to see how it look. All right, see y'all back in 90. All right, folks, it's an hour and a half. And at the same time, this is at 157 degrees. So, it only took an hour and a half. All right, let's take it in the house, let it cool down, and make us some tips. My people, This has cooled off. Looks good. Oh, that smells good too. All right, let's go ahead and cut her open. Seasoning's popping out very well. All right. All right, that looks good. So let's go ahead and make some tips out of these. See if I can get it as uniform as I can. Slice and tender. All right, it look like a turkey tip. Let's put those to the side. These look kind of official to me. So let me get these plated up and see what they taste like. I have to get my fries in order, y'all. Now let's do it up like we up at a restaurant. Large turkey tip. That's about a large turkey tip there. Go ahead, hit it with my sauce. Boom. We in business now, baby. Picked up my large turkey tip. I told y'all, for y'all don't like pork, that I got you. Got you. You know how much this will cost at the barbecue house? I looked them up. $20 for a large tip and fry. That is some tender turkey. Well, y'all seen how it was done. Y'all know I don't like for my fries to get cold. So just like that, y'all, $3 turned into turkey tips, just like that. Y'all saw how it was done. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Check out these other videos. Subscribe. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.